All right, hey, it's Janet again here. I am here to talk about creative assessment tools, which is actually one of my favorite things because it's a really clever way for me to become a better educator by assessing where my students are at. So, one way that I'm going to be doing this in the spring or in the fall semester here. It's not spring. What is time? Anyway, one of the ways that I'm going to be doing this now is by implementing my maker kits that I put together in the spring semester. So these included a lot of different things in the form of zines, but the ones that I'm going to really focus on for my students in the engineering class are going to be the flashlight making kit and the hand soap kit. Basically, the point is that through a project that students are going to get and have the opportunity to work on, I get to see how students are learning, and I get to see how the method that I'm delivering content here is effective or successful, and also how successful it is to encourage play. So it's hard to see this one here, but for the flashlight in particular, it's really a playful project because once you've created your light that has a switch, that's a binder clip. It's a pretty clever project. You can actually start talking about really cool things that you can do with this light, making shadow puppets or storytelling through different mediums and things like that, as well as making a bug flashlight that is only red light because that's a wavelength that bugs cannot perceive. So anyway, there's lots of fun stuff to do here, but the point is that through this creative kit and hands-on project, I get to see what modalities are working for my students and where I can support them better and where I can scaffold this a little bit better to support the whole success of a project, from understanding your scales up to learning how to improvise.